Hey there, and welcome to day one of our daily life vocabulary series. I'm your host, and I'm super excited you're here to build your English skills with us. This session is perfect if you're an A2 or B1 learner and you really want to start sounding more natural when you talk about your day. So, you ready to get started? Let's do it. Okay, so before we dive in, let me give you 3 quick tips to really get the most out of this. First, just listen carefully to the sound of each word. Second, and this one is super important, I need you to repeat everything out loud. I mean it. Actually saying the words is going to help you remember them so much better. And third, try your best to think in English. Don't translate in your head, just think. Simple as that. All right, you ready? Let's get to our very first word. All right, our first word is routine. Routine. So, what's a routine? Well, it's just the stuff you do regularly. The things you do almost every day, often in the same order, like your morning routine for getting ready, or what you do right before bed. Okay, now it's time to practice using that word. I'm host B, and I'm here to help you with the sentences. Just repeat after me, okay? We'll start slow. Ready? I follow a daily routine. Good. Now let's try it at a normal speed. I follow a daily routine. Awesome. Let's do the next one. Slowly. My routine helps me stay healthy. And now, a bit more natural. My routine helps me stay healthy. Perfect. And one more. Slowly, her routine starts early. And now, normal speed. Her routine starts early. Fantastic job. You're off to a great start. Okay, next up, we have a word you'll hear all the time. It's busy. Busy. When you're busy, it just means you have a lot to do, right? You've got a full schedule, maybe not a lot of free time. All right, let's practice with busy. Say it with me. First, nice and slow. I am busy today. Now, at a natural pace. I am busy today. Great. Let's try the next one. Slowly. He looks busy at work. And at a normal speed, he looks busy at work. Fantastic. One last one for this word. Slowly. She stays busy on weekdays. And now, naturally, she stays busy on weekdays. You're doing so well. Keep it up. Our third word today is something we should all do more of. It's relax. Relax. So to relax just means to rest and feel calm. It's that feeling when you finally get to unwind after a long, busy day. Okay, time to put relax into some sentences. Repeat after me. Let's go slow first. I relax after dinner. Now, a bit faster, more natural. I relax after dinner. Excellent. Here's another one. Slowly, music helps me relax. And now, normal speed, music helps me relax. Great job. Last one. Slowly, they relax on weekends. And at a natural pace, they relax on weekends. Awesome. Word number 4 is a really useful one. It's early. Early. When something is early, it just means it happens before the usual or expected time. It's the opposite of our next word. Let's get some practice with early. Repeat after me. Slowly. I wake up early. Now, at a natural speed. I wake up early. Great. Next sentence. Slowly. She arrived early. And now, a normal pace. She arrived early. Perfect. And the last one. Slowly. Early mornings feel fresh. And naturally, early mornings feel fresh. You're doing a wonderful job. And just like I said, here's the opposite. Our 5th word is late. Late. So if you're late, it means you've arrived after the planned or expected time. Time to practice with late. Ready? Let's start slow. The bus is late. Now, natural speed. The bus is late. Good. Next one. Slowly. Don't be late again. And now, at a normal pace, don't be late again. Excellent. And the final one. Slowly. He came late today. And naturally, he came late today. Okay, moving on to our next word. This one is pretty easy. The word is clean. Clean. If something is clean, well, it's simply not dirty. Let's practice with clean. Say it with me, slow and clear. My room is clean. And now at a normal speed. My room is clean. Next one. Slowly. Clean your desk. Now a bit faster. Clean your desk. Great. Last one for clean. Slowly. The kitchen looks clean. And now, naturally, the kitchen looks clean. Nice work. Our seventh word is a feeling I think we all know. The word is tired. Tired. When you feel tired, your body is telling you that it needs to rest, that it needs sleep. Let's practice talking about being tired. First, nice and slow, I feel tired. Now, at a natural pace, I feel tired. Good. Next sentence, slowly, she is tired after work. And a little faster, she is tired after work. Perfect. One more. Slowly, they look tired. And now normal speed, they look tired. You've totally got this. All right, let's keep going. Our next word is free. Free. Now, in this situation, when we say we're free, it just means we are not busy. We have time available to do something else. Let's practice using free. Repeat after me. Slowly, I am free now. Now at a normal speed, I am free now. Good. This next one is a question. Let's try it slowly. Are you free today? And now naturally, like you're really asking someone, are you free today? Great. Last one. Slowly, he feels free on Sundays. And at a normal pace, he feels free on Sundays. We're almost to the end. Word number 9 is simple. Simple. If something is simple, it just means it's easy. It's not difficult. It's not complicated at all. Let's practice with the word simple. First time, slowly. The task is simple. Now, let's say it naturally. The task is simple. Excellent. Here's a very common phrase. Slowly. Keep it simple. And now, a little faster. Keep it simple. Perfect. Last one. Slowly. She likes simple food. And naturally, she likes simple food. Well done. And here we are, our final word for today. It is daily. Daily. This one's pretty straightforward. If something is daily, it means it happens every single day. Okay, let's practice our last word, daily. Ready? Repeat after me nice and slow. I walk daily. Now at a natural pace. I walk daily. Great. Next one, slowly. Daily habits matter. And at a normal speed, daily habits matter. Fantastic. And our very last sentence, slowly, she writes daily. And now, naturally, she writes daily. You made it through all 10 words. Amazing job. All right, you've been doing great. Now it's your turn. Let's do a little mini quiz to see what you remember. I'm going to read a sentence with a blank. You fill it in. And remember, say your answer out loud. Ready? Okay, number 1. I wake up blank to avoid traffic. Is it early or late? The answer is early. I wake up early to avoid traffic. Awesome. Okay, number 2. After work, I like to blank and rest. Should that be relax or busy? And the correct word is relax. After work, I like to relax and rest. How did you do? I bet you got them both. Okay, let's do a quick review of all 10 words we learned today. This is going to really help lock them into your memory. Repeat them with me at a normal speed. Ready? Let's go. Routine, busy, relax, early, late, clean, tired, free, simple, daily. Awesome. Now let's do it one more time, but a little faster this time to really build that confidence. Here we go. Routine, busy, relax, early, late, clean, tired, free, simple, daily. Fantastic work. And just to show you how you can start putting these words together, listen to this. I wake up early, follow a daily routine, and relax at night. See? You can already make sentences like that. Now, the best way to really make these words yours is to practice. Keep listening, keep repeating out loud, maybe even listen to this again tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining us for day 1. You did an amazing job, and we can't wait to see you for day 2. Keep up the fantastic work.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, DG Law Learn, and share it with your friends and family. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see next in the comments below. See you in the next video.